So let's go and talk about the role of AI in copywriting. So now we have, before AI and I was writing copy, my first job was research. Now, during the 3-day event, if you forgot or haven't watched my session on research, I'd highly go back through that and watch that again. It's on the first day afternoon. I do about a 30-minute session on that day on research, and I'll do a little bit of that today. But I would spend hours and hours and hours, if not days and weeks, when I take on a project as a direct response copywriter. When I was a freelance copywriter, I would spend all this time researching the audience, the client that I'm working with, all of their business, looking for what's unique, what's different, and finding niche or industry information. So starting my career, I would spend time in libraries. I would find books. I would find old articles in newspapers. Now on Google, you can go to Google News. Now AI allows you to use Perplexity, or even just what came out on ChatGPT Pro is deep research. So now you have this unlimited tool for research in your market that gives you this deep information about the products or services and the people. And so one ultimate shortcut that we have now, and it's growing and growing and growing, is the fact that we can do research on a marketplace and ask questions to AI and get sourced and vetted answers. Now, I'm going to use the tool that we have, AI for Business tool. One great tool that just came out is deep research from ChatGPT, but that's a $200 a month program. I'm going to show you what we do inside of AI for Business, where we have the research tool. And so we have the research tool for Perplexity. Now I'm going to, before your eyes, kind of write some copy or use the niche of AI for Business, but we can just start by asking simple questions. So this is using AI for research. So let's say I have a product on AI for Business. Help me find any questions that a business owner would have using AI in their business today. So all I'm doing is just doing layers of research. I'm starting somewhere. I'm figuring out a starting point. And my starting point for this is just asking the question, what are people looking for? Your job also as a marketer, as a business owner, as a copywriter, is to be as inquisitive as possible, because you're creating really what is a marketing argument. You're creating something that would be relevant in the marketplace to get somebody to take an action that they normally wouldn't without the information that you're presenting. So that's why research is so important. That's why research is so important. So we're looking through business owners considering the implementation of AI. And so now we have these sources of research. And so it's giving us this research that's available to us, and the sources as well, which is really cool. So it's scouring the web for sources on how to use AI for business.